Hey guys, it's Natasha, and today I'm showing how I clarify my hair using a clay mask and an apple cider vinegar rinse. Since I have such thick hair, I tend to use a lot of heavy oils and butters when styling it, so about once a month I use this routine to remove excess dirt, silicones, and impurities from my curly hair. This ultimately makes my hair shinier, bouncier, and react a lot better with my hair products. So today I'm using the pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask by Creme of Nature and organic apple cider vinegar. In this video you'll also be seeing how many times I hit my poor plant for the sake of filming. So my hair looks a mess today because I did an oil treatment last night where I just let a bunch of different oils soak into my hair to help with my hair growth. So to make sure that those heavy oils come out when I wash it, I'm going to do an extra step beforehand and just detox my hair using this clay mask. This is actually a really unique hair mask in the sense that you apply it to dry hair, but also when you rinse it out, instead of leaving your hair feeling stiff or thick like conditioning hair masks, it feels more like you just shampooed your hair. So I love to use this mask after oil treatments or when I have protective styles in for a long time because it gently pulls out those impurities of my hair without stripping away its moisture like a shampoo would. I got it for about $6 at Walmart and it has 4 uses per container. So once I finish with that side, I just tie it up in a bun, put a little extra around the sides, and then hit the other half while that one marinates. Also, make sure you're massaging this into your scalp to thoroughly clean your roots as well. So after this, and sorry again to my plant, anyways, after this I tie my hair into 2 buns and again put a little extra clay around the sides before I go ahead and make my apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar is an acid that helps to balance the pH levels of your hair and remove buildup left behind by hair products while also exfoliating your hair and your scalp. I don't measure ingredients to cook, so I definitely don't measure ingredients for hair masks, and I personally just mix about 1 part vinegar to like 3 parts water. But for those of you who may not be feeling so adventurous, the most common recipe I found online called for 2 tablespoons of vinegar for every cup of water. I was going to show you how I sprayed on my hair, but the smell was just revolting. So I'm going to do my normal routine and spray the apple cider vinegar on my hair in the shower while I rinse the mask out. And then this is what my hair looks like washed, detangled, detoxed, and clarified. So this is really when my hair feels the most clean and the softest. And now I'm just putting on leave-in conditioner. Usually I would add a curl cream or maybe even a gel, but since my hair is so clean right now, I'm just going to give it a day or two to let it breathe without any crazy products in it. The biggest difference I see when doing this routine is honestly how well my curls react with my hair products. So just from using some leave-in conditioner, my curls are already starting to define and curl up on their own, and usually I would have to use some sort of styling product to get results like these. So this is my hair the following morning. I let it dry overnight in a pineapple, and to refresh it, I just spray it with water and then detangle any frizzy pieces with my fingers. So since it's first day hair, I don't need to add any additional product, so I just detangle those pieces and then fluff the rest of it out. Again, I'm giving my hair a break from curl cream, so this is my hair after removing all of that product buildup and only adding leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.